We live inside a universe that is mostly invisible. Every moment of our lives is influenced by forces we cannot see, touch, or fully understand. Gravity holds us to the ground, yet no one has ever observed gravity directly. It is a force that bends space itself, shaping the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies. But gravity is only the beginning. Magnetism surrounds us constantly. The Earth generates a magnetic field that protects us from deadly solar radiation. Without it, life would not exist. Birds navigate using this invisible field, sensing it like a map written in the air. Even our own bodies respond to magnetic forces in ways we barely understand. Then there is radiation, not just harmful radiation, but the natural radiation that fills the universe. Cosmic rays travel across galaxies, passing through our bodies every second. Most of them go unnoticed, yet they influence the atmosphere, the climate, and even the evolution of life. But the greatest invisible forces are the ones we still cannot detect directly. Dark matter makes up most of the mass in the universe. It forms a cosmic skeleton that holds galaxies together. Without it, the stars would drift apart like dust in the wind. Dark energy is even stranger. It pushes the universe apart, accelerating its expansion. We do not know what it is, where it comes from, or why it exists. The visible universe, the stars, planets, and galaxies, is only a tiny fraction of reality. Everything else is hidden, silent, and mysterious. And yet, these invisible forces shape every moment of our lives. Beneath our feet lies a universe so small that we rarely think about it, yet it is more complex than anything we can imagine. The microscopic world is a realm of constant motion, endless battles, and intricate cooperation. In a single teaspoon of soil, there are more living organisms than humans on Earth. Bacteria, fungi, viruses, protozoa, and microscopic insects from vast ecosystems that keep the planet alive. They break down dead matter, recycle nutrients, and create the foundation for all plant life. Some microbes can survive in boiling water. Others live in ice. Some thrive in radioactive environments that would kill any other organism. There are bacteria that eat metal, bacteria that breathe sulfur, and bacteria that can survive in space. The microscopic world is also responsible for shaping entire landscapes. Microbes help form clouds by attaching to water droplets. They influence weather patterns, rainfall, and even storms. They create minerals, break down rocks, and help form the soil that plants need to grow. Inside the ocean, microscopic plankton produce most of the oxygen we breathe. They drift through the water like tiny factories, absorbing sunlight and releasing life into the atmosphere. Even inside our bodies, trillions of microbes work together to keep us alive. They digest food, regulate hormones, protect us from disease, and influence our emotions. Some scientists believe the microbiome may be as important as the brain itself. The microscopic world is not small. It is vast, powerful, and essential. It is the invisible engine of life on Earth. The human body is not just a physical structure. It is an energetic system, constantly generating invisible fields and signals that shape our thoughts, emotions, and interactions. Every heartbeat creates an electromagnetic field that extends several feet beyond the body. This field changes with emotion, stress, and intention. Some researchers believe this field may influence the people around us, creating subtle connections we do not consciously notice. The brain is even more extraordinary. Billions of neurons fire in complex patterns, creating electrical waves that ripple through the skull. These waves can be measured from outside the head, revealing the hidden rhythms of thought and consciousness. When we think, we generate electricity. When we feel, we release chemicals that travel through the body like invisible messengers. When we dream, the brain creates entire worlds without any external input. The body also communicates through signals we cannot see. Cells send chemical messages to each other, coordinating healing, growth, and defense. The immune system detects threats before we are aware of them. The nervous system reacts to danger faster than conscious thought. Some people can control their body temperature through meditation. Others can slow their heart rate or endure extreme pain through mental focus. These abilities reveal the hidden potential of the human mind and body. We are not just physical beings. We are energetic beings, constantly interacting with the invisible universe around us. The invisible universe is not just a mystery of the present. It is the key to the future of science, technology, and human understanding. Quantum physics reveals a world where particles appear and disappear, teleport information, and exist in multiple states at once. These discoveries challenge everything we know about reality. They suggest that the universe may be far stranger than we ever imagined. Artificial intelligence is uncovering patterns in nature that humans never noticed. It reveals hidden structures in ecosystems, weather systems, and even human behavior. It may one day help us understand consciousness, time, and the fundamental nature of reality. Scientists are searching for new particles, new dimensions, and new forms of energy. Some believe the universe may contain hidden layers we have not yet discovered. Others think reality itself may be a simulation, a projection, or a structure far more complex than we can imagine. The future of science will not be about what we can see. It will be about what we cannot see. The invisible universe holds the answers to questions we have asked for centuries. What is consciousness? What is time? What is reality? What is the universe made of? The more we explore, the more we realize that the visible world is only a small part of the truth. The real universe is hidden, silent, and waiting to be discovered. Which part of the invisible universe fascinated you the most? Tell me in the comments.